Good morning, everyone. Hope you're good, right? Um, Market open is about to be soon. I already marked my levels before I started recording. We got our minor buy side right here, which is our London high. We have our minor sell side over there. This is our London low, if I'm not mistaken. Let me just check. Oh, this is our London low right there. And then we got the first fair value gap. Yesterday's first fair value gap. We have sell side right over here. This is our sell side liquidity. All these lows. Let's see what price want to take out all these lows beautifully. And then we have the primary buy side, which is anything above that is all time high. And then we have the new day opening gap. Yeah, and then we have a lot of liquidity. Like if price were to go all the way down, which is my primary sell side, we have all this liquidity just laying down, all these equal lows, um these, but I'm not gonna mark these. I'll just rather say the first value gap. If price can reach this, we'd want to see if it wants to expand lower, if it passes through the new week opening gap high, if it wants to go all the way down. But obviously we'll see that at market open. Let's just look at the daily. We're at all-time highs right now, so we want to see, will price want to continue going higher? If not, retrace down. Excuse the many lines that I have. I'll try to keep it as clear as I can on my chart. Yeah, I'll try my utmost best, honestly. Okay. Right now we are in an uptrend. Let's see, does price on a continued uptrend? Let's see at market open. Do we take out the new week opening gap midpoint before 10 o'clock? The usual, that's how market open. There you go. Let's see what happens. I forgot to put my phone on do not disturb. There we go. We're about to take out this minus outside. Let's see does price take out this minus outside and continue going lower, because we have these lows right here as well. Oh, we might get a SMT divergence. There's 845, 845. Yeah, we might get an SMT divergence there. Let's see, does price want to take out this low? It took out this low. Let's just wait and see what it wants to do. No, I'm really feeling tired this morning. Not, yeah, well, it's morning for you, some of you. Really feeling tired. Just woken up from a nap not so long ago. So tired. Long morning, honestly. Long day. But yeah, let's just see what the market has to give us. Oh, we have news as well at 9:45, which is just before the macro. Like here, we have news in between that. Let's see how the market reacts to that as well. Yeah, let's see, do we take out this minus outside that we got here? Price came back to the opening range gap, tapped into it. Opening range gap low, tap into it. Let's see, does price want to draw, go lower, take out this minus outside, and if it does want to continue taking out these lows, and if it does go down to take out these lows, definitely can come take out the south side liquidity, the first fair value gap that we have, yesterday's first fair value gap, and then we'll see that does the NDOC stop price, or does the NDOC, or does price just run through the NDOC, knowing that very well it's gonna come to the these first fair value gaps. Sorry, like if it looks so cluttered, but they helped me. They really helped me, and yeah, let's just see how does price wanna use them. How many days has it been? 3 days for today. These lows, you see, there's a lot of lows here, so this will be looking my long term. But right now we have this SMT diversion. Let's just see what if Nasdaq takes out this low. Does the SP 500 do the same thing? Because right now we are up on the S&P with these lows there, but hasn't taken it out though. It took out this one, and here it's still intact. Like, I think, wait, let me see, 914. Okay, Nasdaq took out this low, but the SP 500 didn't. So it could be an SMT diversion, 1% price high. And that's one thing I learned from my mistake of yesterday. I saw the SMT diversion. I don't really use it much, but I saw the SMT diversions, and that was low-key now confident to tell me that, oh, price is going up. And I did say, but still, I still committed to shorts. So yeah, that's one thing I have realized. Hey man, I'm still growing and learning as a trader, and I always teach myself not to be too hard on myself, you know. So yeah, let's see what price wants to do. We didn't. We just fell short taking that out. Let's see, does price want to reach the new week opening gap midpoint before 10 o'clock? That's our initial bias at market open, because there's a 70% chance that price would want to take this out. And we have the minor bias, which is the London high right here, and we have the end dog. So ideally, in an ideal world, we want to see price take out these minor highs right there, potentially take out this minor buy side, and then reverse of that, because that's the London high, take out this liquidity before going lower, and come to take out this London high. This, I can actually mark that. So let's see. We inside the new week opening gap. We're about to take out these relative equal highs. We have these, and then we have this. So I want to see, does price want to go up, potentially take out this liquidity, and then potentially reverse of that, because then we have taken out the London high, and then continue with the downtrend that we have. Or does it want to continue going higher? Right, we are creating all-time highs. So yeah, let's see. And we're waiting for the first fair value gap. We have news at 9. I'm just gonna put a red candlestick right here, a red one, to how there's news at this time. Be patient and let it play out. I want to see price take out the new week opening gap now, and the minor buy side, the minor buy side, which is the London high. There's an SMT with this. Is it this one? No, it's not that. No, it's not that. It's this with that. Is it? Yeah, this one. I mean, it's quite obvious. We took out these minor highs. Let's see, does price want to continue going higher? We went back to touch the opening range gap below. I want to see price display higher. Let's see what we reach the opening range gap high. Let's see. We have this fair value gap right here. I wonder how it feels inside. Let's see what we use it as an inverse. Let me show you guys. I'm probably gonna use it as an inverse. Just tap into it. I didn't. But like tapping into it and then going higher. Oh. There we go. We went back into it. Right there. Really fell short of it, which is a good sign for bullish. Just fell short, as you guys can see. And then the new week opening gap. Let's see what we reach the midpoint of the new week opening. I want to see us reach the midpoint of the new week opening gap. And then once we're here, I want to see what we reach the minor buy side. Take this out. And potentially reverse. If not the midpoint, reverse. If I'm totally wrong, I'm just going to close the opening range gap. And then all-time highs all over again. I'm like, days, bro. I'm tired, bro. We've been buying, bro. Sounds just look so good, but hey, man. Hey. It's not about what I want. I swear to God, I'm going to bed after this, bro. We took out these minor buy side, but it's the main one, of course. And we still haven't gotten the first fair value gap of the day. We still haven't. Just gonna be patient. Just wait. Oh, we got 3 minutes until news. It's like waiting for news or something. When we had the new range opening gap, I think the news might just push price just to take out the minor buy side, the London. If not, like make it close the gap. Yep, we just reached the opening range gap as anticipated earlier on. 70% of the time, we want to see price, or price is going to close the gap, not close, reach the midpoint before 10 o'clock. Let's see, does price want to take out the minor buy side? It's like news release now. Price is reacting of the new week opening gap. We went to it. Let's see. What it wants to do. There we go. Let's see, do we take out the London high? Well, I want to see price take out the London high. I'll just be patient. And submit to time. I'm just gonna remove this. We just took out the London high. Right there. We just took out the London high. Let's see what happens. We didn't take it out on the S&P 500. Let's see, does it create an SMT divergence? That would be such a beautiful trade. Oh my days. Like I said, let's see what happens. We're still yet to wait for the first value gap of the day. Let's see, we might close the gap. We might have a gap closure. There's our highs right there. We might have a gap closure. We took out this. We have the first fair value gap, but it's too small to be considered our first fair value gap. Don't know if you'll understand me. Way too small. This one, this could be our first fair value gap. We reached the midpoint, the end dog. Took it out. there as well. We have a high here. The SP, these are relative. Okay, they're not relatively equal. Put this here, that there. With this small high. I don't know if we reached it. Let me see. Oh, we didn't. We reached the midpoint. The consequent encouragement of the end dog. This fair value gap is so widely so small, bruh. And we almost at the macro. We took out the London high. Let's see, does price bounce off using the end dog low? Does it use it to send price higher? In the macro now. Let's see where we get clean opportunities. I'm gonna delete it. Delete that. We took that out already. I'm just trying to keep my chart as clean as possible, because I look have a problem having a messy chart. Ooh, nice displacement. Let's see, will it break this? Nice displacement. Let's go lower. This would be nice if this turns out to be our first fair value gap. We went back to the opening range gap midpoint. Let's see, let's press on the sell. You have this fair value gap. Nah. Let's just wait and see. There isn't any nice fair value gaps to use yet. Just gonna be patient and see what the market wants to do. We're back at the end dog low. Let's see, do we reject off that? Having a nice rejection of the end dog low. Oh. Not gonna lie, bro. I really my mind right now. My mind is so committed to shorts, dude. Like the whole thing of it's so perfectly aligned, bro. Taking out the London high, and now we just we just took out the London high, opening range gap, rejecting off the consequent encouragement of the new day opening gap, falling short, touching the end dog, having a nice rejection of that. I'm telling you, bro. We just need a nice fair value gap that we can use as our first fair value gap of the day. Oh, we're in these shorts, man. But let's see. Since I don't want to be too married to my bias, yeah. Hey, so far what I said would happen happened. That's all that matters. Took out the London high. Let's say we're gonna take out the London low. How many pips is this? This is like, let's just say from, just go lower, please. It's a good trade, bro. 150 pips. Come on, man. I want to see you drop. It's a good fair value gap. Has a break of structure. It is small though. Not gonna lie. This it is relatively small. But let's see, can we use it to go lower? Let's see, will I get a clean opportunity to have an entry? Let me see something. Look, this one is even better, no lie. Thinking about it, yeah, this is actually way bigger. I'm gonna go for sales using that. Yo, this thing is bugging, bro. It's not letting me go in for sales, bruh. Yo, NASDAQ. This is not funny. Like I swear, try to press sales. It's not letting me. Bro. Wait, let me close the app. Bro. This shit is bugging. Okay, now it put me in too many positions. Oh my days. It put me in way too many positions. Let me just adjust my stop loss. And we're selling. I'm gonna take out because they're not supposed to be here. just to follow my trading plan. Yeah, pretty much. First TP is this. Put that right there. That's first TP. Second TP is that, the London. Which one is that? It's that one. And the second, where's that one? Oh, shit. It's this low right there. Arana. Okay, I'm in shorts right now. Currently in profit. Using this. To be honest, this looks so small to use as a first fair value gap, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But I'm gonna mark it just for the sake of. I could mark this one as prices as an inverse because it is bigger than, it had a break of structure, and it is bigger than this. It is bigger than this one, more or less. So I'll screen record. Let me screen record the trade so you guys can see. First TP's about to hit. Damn, shout out. This is the trade, as you guys can see. I removed one position early because there's just too much lot size, so I don't want to be greedy and do all that. So this is TP1, TP2, TP3. So on the chart it's gonna look like this. Short, I entered of that. My stop loss is literally this, and then this is TP1, right? And then this is TP2. This is TP2, and TP3 right there. This one, this big low. Yeah, so this is my entire trade right now. So this is TP1 right here, as you guys saw with my screen recording. This is TP1, this is TP2, this is TP3. Let it play out and see what happens. Damn, it just fell short. Hitting it. I'm genuinely contemplating the first fair value gap. Like, I know I'm in a trade, but it's honestly bugging me. I'm not gonna lie. Need to think. Let me see something. And we use this as an inverse right here. There could have been a nice entry as well. Price using this as an inverse fair value gap. Touching the midpoint and price sold, and we have the end dog as a nice confirmation during the macro times. Didn't see it then, but I see it now. But yeah, we'll just take this one. Having a bit of a retracement there. I used to use limit orders. almost back at my entry right now. Moving out retracement. Oh, back at this fair value gap, this one right here. Let's see, does price respect it or do we go over it? Moving out retracement. Let me screen record that. As you guys can see, we came back into this fair value gap right here, and yeah, got a retracement almost not so far from TP1, but yeah, we're just gonna let it play out and see what happens. And respecting the opening range gap low. Let's see what price display lower. So first TP. And then I don't know what did I manage all of these stop loss as well. Let's do that. Just above that. And then the midpoint, I'll explain that now. Just above that. And the other one, this one, just above that, just above the midpoint of this wick. So see this wick, around about that, just to properly manage it, trade, just above that. Let's see, do we display going lower? Oh, I need to change that. Beautiful displacement down. You guys can see on the recording on the left side. Bro, this is actually so small, but I mean, hey man, if it works, don't change it. We're having a nice retracement, price reject, using this fair value gap. Respecting the midpoint of that. It's not as clear here, but this fair value gap. This one is to 7 risk reward. Crazy. Bro. Today is not the day, bruh. it's not the day, and we have a minute until the macro ends. I swear, bro, if this thing retraces on me, bro. I'm gonna be so low-key vexed. I'm not gonna lie, bro. Low-key vexed. But hey, let's just let the market do what it needs to do. Okay? Just let it do what it needs to do. We usually back my entry. We're literally back at the entry of one of my positions right now. Because the main position is literally up here, all the way up here, which gave me like a good risk reward. Yeah, we're at the last minute of the macro right now, and we have this fair value gap. Let me look at this on the 15. Okay, we displacing lower now. That was a close one, Nola. My god, bro. Trading, bro. Oh, we came back into this fair value gap, this 5-minute fair value gap during the macro. I don't really trade the 5-minute anymore like I used to. To think I used to be afraid of it, bro. Oh god, bro. Rejected us off this fair value gap again. I want to see lower prices now. I think it's time. Right, Nasdaq. Let me show you guys how close it was. How close it was to my stop loss, bro. Not stop loss, my first. Look at my end. Look how close it was, bro. And now we're back in profit. This is trading, bro. I literally could do all this and just take me out to trade. So you gotta have no emotions when it comes to this, bro. Let's see, will TP1 get hit? It's right here. TP1 is right here. So yeah, that's TP1, TP2, TP3. I think it's a good trade, if you ask me. But yeah, the main one, all I know is that the London high will get hit, bro, which is the main one. This one, that's all that matters. This one. How does it look here? Where is it? Yeah, I put it right there. It's this one. Which will put me up 200. There we go. Nice displacement to the downside. Honestly, after this, I usually just stop looking at the charts, bro, and I just let shit play out. I don't really like looking. I don't like being in the charts while the trade is playing out. Yeah, it can be mentally taxing, bro. I'm not gonna lie. But I'll just stay on for like another 5 minutes and then I'll hop off. Or let's just see if TP1 gets hit. But I'll just stay for like another 5 minutes and then I'll just hop off. And you guys will see for yourselves whether it gets hit or not. If not, I will probably edit or just do another screen recording showing that, oh, by the way. Yeah. Edit to show that to show like the full progress of the trade or how the trade panned out, because I'm struggling with the YouTube on fixing my name on the YouTube account. TP, we're currently floating $300 right now. I'm currently struggling with the YouTube with the name, to be honest, because they keep saying wrong name, wrong name. I think I might have found a solution because I still haven't uploaded the first video. If you guys are watching this, the first video hasn't still been uploaded, man. It's so annoying. So I need to sort that out ASAP real quick. So yeah. Just bear with me on that one. I don't know how I'm gonna upload them. Probably just upload the first one and then the second one because of the dates and stuff. And I don't feel like napping anymore because I just need to prepare the channel and stuff. Just do some small things for it. And then yeah. Currently in profit right now. Let's see. You fell, I fell. Bow, 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 bow. Bro, this back and forth is so annoying, bruh. Oh my days, bro. Oh my days, bro. Back at my entry, literally on one of my entries. Bro, I can't take this back and forth, bro. It's annoying. Look at the 15-minute. Yeah. Just healthy retracement. Hey, at least we're still in profit. We're just rotating $100 in profit right now. But good morning session, honestly. A lot of patience. A lot of patience. And yeah, man, I'm just gonna check you guys tomorrow. Let me just see this. We'll check you guys tomorrow. Still in profit, like $100. It's just a lot of back and forth. Yeah, I'm just gonna let the trade play out, let it do its thing. I mean, you guys will see whether this panned out or not. But yeah, I was just gonna hop off now and just let it do its thing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Good trading session. Good trading session. Yeah. Wait. 2 more minutes. I need to see this. I need to see this. I honestly need to see this. Oh my days, bro. We keep doing this, bro. Let's go. How you guys feel about Iceman, man? Ooh. We back in profit now. 200. Was this back and forth, bro? price playing with this opening range gap low. It's annoying, bro. But it's creating so much liquidity. Yeah, bro. And those who went long this morning, you cook, bro. Take them out, coach. Take them out, coach. It has to take them out. There's no other way. There's no other way. Hey man, we called this, bro. We called this, bro. We called this. We called this, bro. Oh, what a feeling, man. Never gets old. Sucks when you lose, though. Back up in profit right now. Oh, we just need actually $1,000 to pass the phase 1 of this account. Literally. Need like 1,000. And we chase. I think we're gonna have this back and forth. I don't know until what time. Is there any news? Nope. 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 Drop down. Yeah. Anyway, it was lovely spending time with you guys today. Hope you guys learned something. Well, I've learned something. And yeah. Honestly, I'm honestly, till now as we speaking, I'm not sure about this first fair value gap. It's sitting so uneasy with me, but I will leave it for now and I'll correct it for later if it is that I'm mistaken. Because honestly, it could be this. Well, this is too small. This is honestly way too small. This is also too small, but it had a break of structure. Wait. Bro. Fuck. Bro, they're all so small, bro. The only one that's expanded and big is this one. Low key, this one could be this one. Low key, but I'll settle the uncertainty for now. And hopefully my mentor says something about it. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. And we like 40 pips away from TP1, bro. If we can just hit TP1, I'll be happy. I'll be so happy. But anyway, bye guys. It was lovely spending time with you guys. I'm gonna go now. And pray to God this trade pans out. Pray to God. And yeah. I swear the moment I stop recording this, it's gonna shoot down. I promise you. I just know it. I know it. I just can't prove it, but I know it. Bye-bye. Bro, just at least let's leave a TP1 being hit, bro. It's so annoying. Okay, we're expanding lower. At least TP1. And the discipline to take out one position, because I entered 4 by mistake, because at the time my MetaTrader was just bugging, so I just spammed it, and then it put in 4 positions instead of like the 3 I would usually use. And the discipline, although I was in profit and I am confident about this trade, the discipline to just take it out, it's the old me would have not been able to do that, bro. I would have just left it for greed, like, and just take all of it. Not all money is good money. Just also to manage the account well and stuff, you know. Yeah, that's something to look back on. But yeah, I'm gonna see you boys and girls next time. Bye bye.